What if Mazda completely transformed the CX-30 into a premium crossover that looks like it belongs beside luxury brands costing twice as much? The 2027 Mazda CX-30 introduces a dramatic new design, futuristic lighting, an upscale cabin, and technology that pushes Mazda further into premium territory. But is this finally the compact SUV that can outperform rivals like the Toyota Corolla Cross, Honda HR-V, Hyundai Kona, and even challenge entry-level luxury crossovers? Stay with us as we explore every detail of this stunning new Mazda concept and discover why it could become one of the most desirable compact SUVs of 2027. At first glance, it's immediately clear that this isn't just another facelift. The 2027 Mazda CX-30 appears to evolve Mazda's famous Kodo design philosophy into something much more futuristic while maintaining the elegant simplicity that has made the brand so recognizable. The front fascia is the biggest highlight. Instead of the traditional grille and headlight arrangement, we now see an incredibly slim, full-width LED daytime running light stretching across the nose. This signature lighting element gives the crossover a wider and more premium appearance. Below it, the main LED projector headlights are integrated into sculpted housings, creating an aggressive yet sophisticated face. Large vertical air intakes add a sporty character, while the redesigned grille features a bold geometric pattern finished in gloss black. Overall, the front end looks lower, wider, and far more expensive than today's CX-30. Moving to the side profile, Mazda has preserved the elegant proportions that made the CX-30 popular while giving it a cleaner and more athletic stance. Smooth body lines flow seamlessly from the front fenders toward the rear, creating a sense of motion even when the vehicle is standing still. The glossy black wheels perfectly complement the deep soul red crystal-inspired paint, while the black trim around the wheel arches adds just enough ruggedness without overwhelming the premium design. One subtle but impressive detail is the flush integration of the body surfaces. The reflections across the doors and fenders emphasize Mazda's craftsmanship and attention to detail. To the rear, the transformation continues. A full-width LED taillight bar stretches across the tailgate, giving the SUV an unmistakably modern identity during both day and night. The illuminated Mazda lettering replaces the traditional badge, adding a premium European-inspired touch. Lower down, the sporty rear diffuser and sculpted bumper create a balanced mix of elegance and performance. The result is a rear design that feels clean, sophisticated, and unmistakably premium. Step inside and the biggest surprise awaits. Mazda has created an interior that looks far more luxurious than what most people expect in a compact crossover. The cabin features beautifully stitched tan leather seats paired with soft touch black surfaces and elegant wood-inspired trim extending across the dashboard. The design is remarkably minimalist. A large floating infotainment display dominates the center, while the fully digital instrument cluster delivers crisp driving information directly in front of the driver. Physical buttons remain for essential climate controls, allowing easy operation without distracting the driver. One of the standout features is the panoramic glass roof, flooding the cabin with natural light and making the interior feel much more spacious. Ambient LED lighting subtly outlines the dashboard and doors, creating a relaxing atmosphere during nighttime driving. The overall impression is closer to a luxury vehicle than a mainstream compact SUV. Although Mazda has not officially confirmed every specification for this concept, industry expectations suggest that the 2027 CX-30 could offer several powertrain options. The base model may continue using Mazda's refined Ski-Active G gasoline engine, while higher trims could receive an updated mild hybrid system for improved efficiency. There is also growing speculation about a plug-in hybrid variant that would combine strong performance with significantly lower fuel consumption. Mazda's renowned all-wheel drive system is expected to remain available, Delivering confident handling in various weather conditions, driving dynamics have always been one of Mazda's greatest strengths, and this next generation CX-30 is expected to continue that tradition. Sharper steering, improved suspension tuning, and enhanced chassis rigidity could provide a driving experience that feels more engaging than many competitors. Technology also appears ready for a significant upgrade. Pricing has not yet been officially announced, but based on Mazda's current lineup, industry experts estimate the new CX-30 could start around $30,000 for entry-level models, while fully equipped, premium trims could approach $40,000. Depending on drivetrain and available options, even at that price, it would still represent strong value considering the premium design, upscale interior, advanced technology, and refined driving experience. If this concept accurately previews Mazda's future direction, the 2027 CX-30 could become one of the most attractive compact SUVs available. It successfully blends elegant styling, modern lighting, luxurious materials, practical technology, and engaging driving dynamics into one beautifully balanced package. Rather than chasing flashy trends, Mazda continues focusing on timeless design and driver enjoyment, making the CX-30 stand out in an increasingly crowded market. So, what do you think about the stunning 2027 Mazda CX-30? Does this futuristic redesign have what it takes to become the best compact crossover of 2027? Or would you still choose one of its rivals? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more exciting automotive content, future car concepts, and first look reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.